Take the yolk of 4 eggs and separate the whites from the yellow and place in a bowl. By breaking the egg with the hands and pouring the white out from a half shell, one can separate the yolk from the white. An egg is basically made up of yolk and albumin. The yellow part is called yolk, the white part is called albumin. Nandu is here showing us the technique of how to separate yellow from white. We are today making mayonnaise. So we are preparing the ingredients. 4 eggs, or rather 4 egg yolks first, with half a teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of mustard. Now the egg yolk has been prepared and put away. This is known as mise en place. This is the first part, which is called preparing the ingredients, as every amateur chef knows. Now we are taking half a teaspoon of salt and placing it in a bowl to prepare it for the ultimate addition. Now we are taking 2 teaspoons of mustard. This is Dijon mustard, any Dijon mustard will do. And that is now ready.
No.
And now lime juice. So we will take 8 teaspoons of lime juice. Cut the limes and remove the seeds. Squeeze the lime juice into a small bowl. And I will now cut, because this is quite boring, and I will show you the final ingredients at the end of this.